my name is Giang.
Hi, my name is Khoa.
We are in grade 8 in Mimikhiam Secondary School.
Today we are here to talk you about the environmental pollutions. The first, what is the environmental pollutions? Environmental pollutions is a phenomenon in which the natural environment has been contaminated. At the same time, the chemical compositions in the water environment, the soil environment, and the physical, biological, and chemical properties of the environment are also changed, thereby causing harm to human health, the environment, and animals. All forms of environmental pollutions are mostly caused by humans. In addition, pollution is also caused by a number of other natural activities that have a negative impact on the environment. The issue of cause of climate change in Vietnam is of great concern. If today's evolves, the problem of environmental pollution is also becoming a painful problem for the whole society. Not only Vietnam, in each countries and more national its locality pollution occurs. It can be air pollution, rock pollution, water pollution, sea pollution, etc. To discuss the problem of environmental pollution, we mention many causes from subjective to objective, from human to nature, from consciousness to policy and law. The seriousness of environmental pollution is more visible and stronger than ever. It not only affects the natural eye indirectly, but also directly affects the quality of life and causes serious climate change.
The second side is that the environment is being polluted. Before learning about the cause of environmental pollution, let's first learn about the total size when the environment is polluted. The process of environmental pollution leads to many phenomena happening around us. Some phenomena we can perceive, others have to go through the process of change over time to be able to recognize accurately. Polluted air, water source is contaminated. Clean water is exhausted. The temperature is increasing. The earth is getting warmer. Ice, sea level rise. Floods and landslides are more frequent and safe. The land is infertile, poor in nutrients, contaminated with salinity. The climate is changing more and more harshly. There is drought, hard snowfall, more strange and dangerous disease. Pests attack crops and are increasingly difficult to treat.
The next, what are the causes of environmental pollution? Causes of environmental pollution due to natural factors like landslide of hills and mountains, riverbanks swept into musty water, humus, reducing the quality of water, smoke and dust from volcanic eruptions, follow rainwater falling. Water pollution is also caused by the solutions of many mineral salts with too high concentrations, including carcinogens such as arsenic, fluoride, and heavy metals. The compositions of living organisms into organic matters that is observed into the ground gradually infiltrates into groundwater of dead bodies or floating interconnected system of ponds, lakes, canals, etc. When natural disaster occurs such as flood, storms, etc., rubble will easily be swept away, rising and spreading rapidly. This difficult to control.
Cause of environmental pollution caused by human agents. Everyday people use water for many different activities, from individuals to office, hotels, restaurants, and hospitals. Water from their activity contains waste with easily degradable components, grease, solids, bacteria. They are often not treated but are discharged uh, directly into ponds, like rivers. Waste from mental, cattle urine, fertilizers, chemicals are often not collected and treated. These substances can contaminate surface and groundwater sources. Many companies, factories, and enterprises regularly discharge vapor and gas during production into the air and environmental. But there are always an emission that are difficult to overcome and cause serious pollution if not treated appropriately.
Because the environmental occupy the leading positions among the types of vehicle, particularly and are also the largest source of polluting waste. Because according to expect, vehicles use gasoline and diesel as fuel. The process of leaking, evaporating as well as burning fuel lead to the generation of many toxic gases.
Uh, the last consequence of environmental pollution adverse effect on human health. From the cause of environment pollution, followed by other consequences such as heavily polluted land, water, and air, along with that directly affecting human health. That is why more and more people are suffering from respiratory disease, disease, cancer, and many strange virus outbreaks. Impact of impact on the ecosystem. The more garbage and waste is being generated, the of trees, creatures, and vegetation fade, human will also be affected.
Thank you for listening. If we have more chance, we will talk you about the problems of environmental.